This is too hot out there, and we are going for lunch. This magical beauty we are enjoying. You can see that's the area of water villas. Look at the pool, and there are many fish. I think those are shark. I'm going towards dining hall, so we'll have our lunch. So bright today. Look at the sky, it's deep blue. This is our magnificent Maldives trip. It's like a drug. If you are visiting Maldives, then you'll just visit again and again, just because it has its own beauty, and that's really awesome. Hello. Good morning. I can just stay here, look at this beauty day after day, and I'll not get bored. So how beautiful that is. You need to feel it, you need to just experience it. Hey guys, so we come for lunch. So I'll show you today's lunch. There are three types of water villa in Dhigurah, the residence. So we are staying in one. Another one is there, which is on Sunrise. Yeah. So Sunrise water villa. Those are also great, and I mean less costly than the Sunset one. Yeah. It's 4 o'clock. Football ground. Left side. There are some villas which is adjacent to land but above on the sea. We actually lost our villas. I mean the road. I'm not sure, but this is the Falhumaafushi. So this is the another island for this residence Maldives. So this is a 1 kilometer bridge over the sea. This is so magnificent, guys. You can see, so awesome. That side you can see the Falhumaafushi, the residence. Hey guys, so we are in between Falhumaafushi and Dhigurah, the residence. So both are twin island, and both are so managed by the residence Maldives. You can see that side, that's the Falhumaafushi island, and there are water villas, and this side. So this side it's Dhigurah, the residence. So we are in between. It's a 1 kilometer bridge between these two. So this side you can see, that's the Dhigurah island. अलग अलग बुक कर सकते हैं, मतलब Falhumaafushi. For Falhumaafushi you can book, and for Dhigurah also you can book separately. So that. Hey guys, so we are at Falhumaafushi. I think this is their main pool. For Dhigurah, we can order drinks here, right? You have jacket? Yes, sir. May I request a room number? 843. No, just read it. No, with ice. Which one you have, doctor? This is also just Hello guys, so we'll show you what are the available things for our dinner today. Which fish?
Jackfish. Jackfish.
Jack. DJs. Good morning, Maldives. So it's our fourth day, and you can see the beauty of nature. Hey guys, so we came for the breakfast, and this is our breakfast scene. Hey guys, so this is our water villa and attached pool, infinity pool, and this was our room for last 2 nights. So this I booked through Make My Trip app, and for this sunset water pool villa, this takes 1,72,157 rupees for 2 nights, and so it comes around how much? Around 88,000 rupees per night with all inclusive. So I have, I mean, your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and plus all your drinks. So these are the things, like the stay was really good, this room is really good. So now we'll move to another room, and we'll talk about that room later on. So we'll be here in next 2 more days also. So stay tuned guys. The room and the stay is super luxurious room, and the stay is really good, and see the view. You can't see, but I can see there are so many fishes there. And this is magnificent Maldives, the Residence Maldives at Dhigurah.